I'm in Minecraft again. I'm in version 0.14 Alpha Build 4. But today, I'm going to give you some tips. As some people have been asking me, how do I do this? How do I do that? So, today's tip will be on... Okay, I'm going to teach you how to build a passcode door lock. So first, you'll need a door. You'll need levers. You'll need redstone torches. You'll need redstone. Yeah, you'll need redstone. Okay. Now we'll need 2 types of block. So I already have that. I'll just take diamond. Okay, and let's start. So first you need 3, another 3, then 3. Then you cover it like this. Now you need to put 1, 2, 3, a block there, that, there, and there, and put this, and now it's connected. So once it's connected, just break the bottom. Wonderful. I built it too far away. EP. Okay. Connect the redstone. And now it's connected. You can shoot. Now cover it up so no one can see what has been done. Cover it up so no one can find what the password is. Okay, so since the places where I left the redstone torches were there, this place, and this place, so all I need next is to flip those levels. And I have a door here. Cover this part up. Oh, oops. And so, password, and boom. The magical door of diamond opens. Or if you type it wrongly, it just dies off. Wrongly. Boom. Okay. Looks like it's lagging. Yay. They haven't fixed the bugs yet for 0.14. But once the bugs are fixed and it's built properly, you can use it. And you also can use it for 0.13. In 0.13 it's very clear. No lags. So, thanks for watching.